Today discuss some problems nana exercise to practice exercise. Okay. Here alpha varies from 20 by 21 to 100 by 101. Alpha means current gain in the common base configuration. Beta means current gain but common emitter configuration. Beta can be determined. In the question, first alpha value is given 20 by 21. Find beta. What is the beta alpha relation? Beta equal to alpha by 1 minus alpha. Alpha write as 20 by 21. 1 minus alpha write as 20 by 21. Here 20 by 21. LCM is 1 by 21. 21 cancel. Beta value becomes in the 20. Next alpha value I taken. Alpha value in the question is 100 by 101. Okay. Here also directly to determine beta value. What is the formula for beta? Alpha by 1 minus alpha. 100 by 101. Here 1 minus alpha right as 100 by 101. LCM finally we get 101. 101 cancel. Beta value becomes 100. That means beta varies from 20 to 100. This is the option. Okay. Here beta first person 20, second person 100. That means varies from 20 to 100. Important problem. Look here. Here this is the AP MSET 2016 MSET question. Here keyword in the problem common emitter. In the common emitter configuration, current gain denoted by beta. Common base configuration, current gain denoted by alpha. Common collector configuration, current gain denoted by gamma. Yesterday I discussed what is the formula for gamma. I E by IB. Look here, IE is given, IB can be calculated. But gamma is not given. But yesterday I give the relation gamma and beta. Gamma equal to 1 plus beta. Here 1 plus beta value 61. Here write 61 equal to IE value 6.6 by IB. Here what is the IB value? 6.6 by 61. It neatly solve that 0.108 milliamperes. Okay, this is the solution. What is the alpha formula? I repeat, alpha formula is IC by IE. Beta formula is IC by IB. Gamma formula is IE by IB. These three formulas remembering all the time to solve the transistor problems. Next, here delta IC is given. Collector change in collector current, change in emitter current is given. Change in base current can be determined. We know the basic equation of the transistor. IE equal to IB plus IC. This is the basic equation of the transistor. Here what is the emitter current? 8.3 milliamperes. IB is 8.2 milliamperes plus IC. Here IB can be calculated. IC is given 8.2 milliamperes. Here other side 8.3 minus 8.2, 0.1 milliamperes. That becomes IB. Here IB equal to 0.1 milli write as 10 power minus 3 amperes. Neatly write as 10 power minus 4 amperes. 100 microamperes. Micro means 10 power minus 6. Okay. Here look here. To determine voltage gain, generally I discuss voltage gain. First formula is output voltage by input voltage, ORR. Ohm's law, V equal to IR. Voltage gain equal to current gain into resistance gain. Here current gain is given 50. Resistance gain means output resistance by input resistance. output resistance is given 2, input resistance is given 1. What is the voltage gain value? 100. Okay, look here, here beta is given to determine alpha. What is the formula for beta, nana? Alpha by 1 minus alpha. Here alpha can be calculated. Alpha formula is beta by 1 plus beta. Okay, now this is the basic equation. 1 by alpha equal to 1 by beta plus 1. According to this equation, alpha value is beta by 1 plus beta. Here beta value 99. 1 plus 99, 100. 99 by 100 is 0.99. Always alpha value less than 1, beta value greater than 1, gamma value also greater than 1. Okay, this is the common base configuration, common emitter configuration, common collector configuration. Okay, next now hold on. This is the JEE Mains 2018 problem and NEET 2016 problem. Is a very most important problem in this model. Here, this is an important model. This is diagram. This is emitter. This is base. This is collector. This is called input. This is called output. Emitter is common for input and output, so this is common emitter configuration. In this circuit, current here flow. Okay, here it will be divided IC, it will be divided IB. Here RL can be calculated. I take closed circuit here, closed circuit here, look here. Okay, in the closed circuit, Kirchhoff apply second law. Okay, here nana in the Kirchhoff second law, here Kirchhoff second law, all EMFs, all PDs equal to 0. Okay, all EMFs, all PDs equal to 0. Here battery discharge EMF is positive, nana, plus 8 volts. Okay, I take the path always plus 2 minus, here plus 2 minus. Okay, here path direction is here, current direction also same, that PD taken as negative, minus IC RL. Okay, here C2E again, C2E current direction and path direction same, so that's why that PD also negative, minus VCE becomes 0. Okay, here neatly write as 8 minus ICE. Okay, here RL minus VCE value is given 4, VCE value 4, IC value collector current also given 4 milliamperes. 4 milli means 10 power minus 3 equal to 0. 8 minus 4 minus 4 into 10 power minus 3 RL equal to 0, minus other side plus 4 equal to 4 into 10 power minus 3 RL. 4 what? Cancel. Here RL equal to 10 power minus 3 write as 1000 ohms. Okay, this is RL nana. And again to calculate RB nana, I take again this circuit nana. Here plus 2 minus this closed loop nana. I take this closed loop. Here look here. Again Kirchhoff second law is applied. Again Kirchhoff second law is applied. Look here nana. Look here. Here. Okay, I apply Kirchhoff second law. Here battery discharge 8, path current direction same, that PD taken as negative, minus IB RB minus here in the according to diagram VBE is given, V minus VBE equal to all EMFs, all PDs in the closed circuit equal to 0. 8 minus, what is the IB value? IB value is not given, but beta is given in the question. Beta ante IC by IB. What is the IB value? IC by beta. into RB minus VBE equal to 0. Okay, 8 IC value 4 milliamperes. Why here convert IB? Because beta is given, IC is given. So that's why beta formula. According to beta formula, I convert. Beta value is 100 into RB equal to VBE. What is the VBE value? VBE value 0.6 equal to 0. 8 minus 0.6 write as 7.4 minus 4 into 10 power minus 5 into RB equal to 0. Neatly write as 7.4 equal to 4 into 10 power minus 5 into RB. Here RB equal to 7.4 by 4 into 10 power minus 5. It neatly write as 4. Here cancel nana. Here here nana, it will be cancelled. 1.4 ones 4, 3 4 4 8s, 1.85 into 10 power 5 ohms. Okay, this is the solution nana. Okay, look here nana once again. Here this is the solution. Okay, any 1.85 into 10 power 5 ohms. This is the solution. I apply in this closed circuit. We apply Kirchhoff's second law. According to Kirchhoff's second law, all EMFs, all PDC equal to 0. Current direction or path direction is same. PD taken as negative. Opposite PD taken as positive. Battery discharge EMF positive. Battery charge EMF negative. By applying sign conventions to solve the problems in the topic. Okay. In next class I continue.